Hello, this technology is called ChinEasy.com, and because Chinese is not just the letter, there's a pinyin pronunciation system helps you to pronounce it, but also there's a character, the letter part that you have to know in order to write and read. So this lady created this way to make the Chinese character learning so much fun rather than trying to memorize 400 to 1,000 Chinese words and not knowing what to do with it. For students, younger students, that they have a great imagination, likes to draw and play games. This is a great way to reach out and teach them to learn the most difficult part of Chinese and Chinese characters. So Chinese characters are hard, but also this is a fun way because Chinese letters, characters are originally from pictures. Like this is a word for cow. It looks like a cow, and this is for forest. This is for bachelor degree. So every word there's a picture, image goes with it. So student will have fun learning the word while picking up or drawing pictures. I think with my students level, either younger elementary kids, they can learn it, but they can also create their own. For older students, high school students, they can also use it to learn more words. Also, this not just on this website, they have apps you can download to learn more words. I think this is the most easiest way to learn Chinese words. And also for visual learners, also have games, gives you small size learning activities. And so very well designed app, website to learn Chinese words. I definitely will introduce to my students, and for this semester I haven't started learning Chinese writing. We just finished Chinese pinyin pronunciation, so this is a great way for next week. We'll start using to show students and to explore Chinese writing. So for ISTE, I think visionary planner leaders engage others in establishing a vision, strategic plan, and ongoing evaluation cycle for transforming learning with technology education leaders. So thank you.